Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to install Android Pie Beta onto your Oneplus 3 or 3T. So as you can see here, I'm on the Pie already, but I'll just demonstrate how to install it. So first of all, you can go into this community apps, and then you go and search this Android 9 Community Beta 2 for Oneplus 3 and 3T. This is the latest beta version for the Android 9. And you can click this download here, click it, and it will download into your phone. I'll link the download link under my description of this video here. Once downloaded, you will need to go into your file manager and go inside internet storage and go inside to your downloads. So you need to move this to the root of your internal storage. So what you have to do is hold on to it and then cut it. Then go back to your internal storage and paste it here. After that, you can go into your settings, then go back to your system here, and go to system updates, and you can go to the settings here. You can choose this local upgrade. So once you choose this, see that this thing will appear here. If you did not move this to the root of your internal storage, it will not be here. Once you click it, you can click the upgrade now, and your phone will go, you reboot and install the new OS. Now keep in mind that your battery should be more than 50% to do the upgrade, because it will eat a lot of battery life. So now we can go into what's changed in this beta 2 here. As you can see, the clock and timer and stopwatch interface display is incomplete, and the microphone does not work when earphones is plugged in. Crash issues with native message app. So as you can see, these are the bug fixes. So when we go into the clock, see that this is okay now. And then in the timer, you can see the buttons here are more spaced out and even now. The native app and all that. Oh, and there's a new function here which is called the parking location service, where you can use to take a picture of your parking lot so that you remember where you park your car when you come out of your shopping mall, which is very cool actually. Or you can take a picture. Yeah. Other than that, the phone is very smooth. I'm really looking forward to the release of the stable Android Pie on 3 or 3T. You can watch my other video here that shows the changelog in the Android Pie for 3 and 3T. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Ciao!